G'day, Livio, Regano with tonight's weather. Classic autumn conditions here in the final month of summer. Fresh southeasterly winds bringing a generous peppering of showers east of the Great Dividing Range. This pattern will last until Wednesday afternoon. Despite the favourable winds, today certainly wasn't cool in central Queensland. A better description would be not that hot, because it's always hot, as you can clearly see. Let's look at the satellite loop first up. It's mostly coastal clouds in the past 24 hours, owing to what's left of Cyclone Dovie, which has now moved south and weakened. But its effect is still being felt, with lots of these showers moving up and down the coast, some of them quite heavy. But once you go west of the ranges, you can see it's getting fairly clear. Now, if you look at today's chart, you'll see firstly that the big low has moved offshore, but we've still got a very strong gradient of southeast winds. We've got warnings up and down the coast for all waters except Cairns waters. And of course, the moisture from the southeast wind is bringing quite a lot of shower activity. Tomorrow's chart, it doesn't change very much. You've still got that classic autumn pattern with a high in the Tasman Sea, another one in the Bight, and they're feeding those southeast winds right up and down the Queensland coast. And now the latest from the Weather Bureau. The boating forecast for Capricornia waters. A strong wind warning continues for 20 to 30 knot east-southeasterlies tomorrow on a 2.5 metre swell. Winds easing Wednesday afternoon and then below 20 knots by Thursday. Tomorrow brings us within 2 days of full moon, so our tides are starting to get quite big. First up will be high tide, followed by a strong run out to the afternoon low. Capricornia District forecast, the outside chance of a shower or storm. Gladstone 30 degrees, Rockhampton 31, Billawilla the same, and Yeppoon 28. And the Central Highlands and Coalfields, a shower or storm in the northeast only. Emerald 21 tonight, 34 degrees tomorrow, 33 for Claremont, Moranbah 31. Looking ahead for Rockhampton, the trade wind pattern will break down by Thursday, and that's when temperatures start to rise and clouds burn away before another more subtle cool change this weekend. Today's tip from Meteorology 101, how to forecast rain. You need two things, moisture and rising air. Moisture builds up when winds blow off the ocean. Even a northwesterly can solely bring in moisture from the Gulf of Carpentaria. Once you've got moisture, you need to lift it high into the sky so it cools and condenses into cloud. A mountain slope is quite good at doing this. If you want something heavier, a trough or front can raise a whole band of moist air as it sweeps across Queensland. Lots more on that subject, but I've run out of time, so have a nice one, and now it's back to the team.
Terrific, Liv. Good on you, mate. Thank you very much. Lovely having your company. See you tomorrow night.
And also a reminder, you can watch a replay of our news on the 7plus app or catch up on our page, 7news.com.au. And from all of us, good night.
Good night.